To fix KB5031354 Windows update failed to install on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this Windows update error, first workaround is launch your Chrome browser and here go to Microsoft Update Catalog and install KB5031354 update manually. In Microsoft Update Catalog, look for this update and click on search and update the download. Click on download. These updates are updated manually. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows settings. Under system settings, go to troubleshooters, other troubleshooters, and run the Windows update troubleshooters. This is the easiest way to fix Windows update error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your problem is still and you are not able to install KB updates, then go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, first execute sfcs scan now command to check any corrupted files in your system. It will not only scan your system but repair them accordingly. Once done, execute these three commands: DISM tools, DISM scan health, check health, and restore health. Execute this command one by one, followed by enter key on each times. And after that, restart your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows run command box, type ncpa.cpl to open your network connections. Right click on your network connections, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Go to properties. Here select IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4. Choose properties and use the following DNS servers. Under preferred DNS servers 8888 and alternate DNS server should be 8844 and press OK. The next workaround to fix this issue is again launch run command box by pressing Win+R shortcut key and here type msconfig and open system configuration windows. Here go to services tab from the top menu bar and hide all Microsoft service. Make the check against this option and choose disable all. After that, restart your system. Your problem will resolve.